Hey everyone, my name is Sevda Mammadova, and my aim is to represent you, my fellow schoolmates, and on the school student council. However, to be your student council, you first need to understand who I am as a person and why I decided to take on this invigorating role as your representative.
I am 14 years old and study in class 10AB2. I moved to Azerbaijan 2 years ago, and since then I have had a cultivating and enlightening experience, learning new things and meeting new people. I was born in Doha, Qatar. I've also studied in 7 different schools, which has helped me observe and comprehend all the most effective ways for a student to feel more comfortable in their school's environment. Now picture 2 different scenarios. You go into the classroom of teacher 1. You listen to the topic, you take your notes, and pay attention to the teacher's lecture. However, you end up with a few questions. You raise your hand and ask the teacher, but in the middle of your thought, the bell rings, and teacher 1 just cuts you off and exits the classroom, ignoring you and your thoughts. Now let's shift our focus to the second situation. The same thing happens, but instead of leaving you with an unanswered question, teacher 2 stays after class, listens to your problems, and both of you find a solution to the issue at hand. Now, which teacher would you prefer? Of course, it would be teacher 2 because she listened and you felt heard.
My goal being your student council is to take on the role of teacher 2. I believe that the student council should be an effective communication channel between the students and administration. Students at other schools should feel comfortable approaching their representatives with any needs, complaints, or creative ideas. I will always stand in your needs and promote the welfare of students at other school.
What can I promise you as student council? School should not just be a place for studying. It should also be a fun experience for students so that they will enjoy coming here every day. Here are some of my ideas. Spirit Weeks. Spirit Week is an entire week dedicated to dressing up in funny characters and having crazy hairstyles. It will give students a break from their academic studies. For example, on Mondays, we could have Sports Day. Wear a jersey or t-shirt standing for your favorite sports team. On Tuesdays, dress up as your favorite movie or book character. Wacky Wednesdays are for finding your wackiest clothing and mashing it all up. Wear polka dots, stripes, crazy hairstyles, and more. Throwback Thursdays, days for dressing up as a kid from the 90s. Twin Date is finding a classmate or friend and planning a matching outfit. The main goal is to look like identical twins. We could also have a suggestion box in each classroom for students to put creative ideas for school. At the end of each week, the box will be checked, and the best idea will be rewarded. The ideas are endless, and I promise that if you do vote for me, I will do everything in my power to make school a more engaging and welcoming place to students. My goal is to listen to your ideas and listen to your feedback. So make the right decision and vote for me as your student council.